Innovative technology for a new generation. A big change is made of small differences. Wind of change. Stronger, lighter, greener, and most economical solution fitting into the needs of a changing world. Let's get started. Steel rebar is the commonly used product to reinforce concrete. It goes into every construction structure on the planet. However, there are many problems related to the steel rebar. Despite of the related issues, the usage of steel rebar has continued. KEco Rebar is a product that solves all the issues of the steel rebar. Would that be possible? Many construction companies in the world are already switching to GFRP. KEco Rebar is 4 times lighter than steel rebar, easily carried by human power. Also, the tensile strength is 2 times bigger than steel rebar. KEco Rebar has a semi-permanent durability of about 100 years, high resistance to chemicals and alkalis. It does not rust or corrode, so it can be used safely on seashore structures. As a non-magnetic and non-conductive thermal insulation material, it does not conduct electricity or catch fire easily. In addition, the lightweight brings a significant improvement in the workplace safety. KEco does not rust or corrode, and so does not cause cracks in concrete, as it does not cause structural damage and maintenance is not required. The lifespan is extended. Constructability. It can be easily cut, making the work efficiency much higher. It is lightweight, so easy for workers to handle and install. KEco rock bolts have a hole in the center, so there is no need for separate processes, such as air injection hoses when pouring cement, making the work time much faster. KEco Rebar is 4 times lighter than steel rebar, allowing more materials to be transported to the construction site at once. This reduces transportation and maintenance costs, which are essential for profit calculations. First in the world, KEco Rebar is an eco-friendly product alternative to steel rebar, using discarded PET bottles waste as resource, reducing CO2 emissions by more than 73%. Using recycled PET reduces raw material costs. In addition, it has improved the working environment by removing SM, which has a high odor and fire risk. Smart Factory. KCMT is a company specializing in the production of eco-friendly rebar as substitute material to the steel rebar. As a smart factory, we are building an automation system for the entire production line. Where can KEco Rebar be used? It can be used on buildings, bridges, tunnels, airports. It is already being used in many structures. More lighter, more stronger, easier handling, more faster. KEco keeps you safe and makes all buildings in the world more efficient. We are making the future into who we are in the present. This is why many companies choose to replace the steel rebar by GFRP rebar. We are working together to make the impossible possible as the world's climate continues to change. This is our responsibility and our life's mission. A new era to be created by your choice.